On all of our designs, we have trim and bleed aids to let you know where the paper will be cut. You can see a full explanation of this by clicking on the top right question mark icon. Over here, to the left, we have several elements: text, QR codes, and shapes. Clicking on any of these will let you see further settings to the left. Positioning and sizing can be changed directly by editing the values or by dragging them around. Text can be fully customizable. By typing a curly bracket, you're able to see your personalized options that you've set up on the platform. This includes logic features. QR codes are personalized for each client and will go to the link you specify here. You can also use a variable here if you wish the link to be different for each customer. Once you've added several objects, they'll be stacked on top of each other. You can go to the Layers section to drag whichever one you would like to the top or to the bottom. Adding pages is simple. You can go to the Pages settings on the left and add a new page. You can also drag and drop these pages to rearrange the order of your letter. Please note the address will always be on the front page. Once created, you can also swap between pages at the top right. In the settings, you can change whether something is duplex or simplex. Or simply, you can add a white overlay to your address area. Additionally, you can edit the JSON of the template directly here. However, this is an advanced feature and will not be covered in this video. Finally, you can add rulers and grids to assist you with your design work.